everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Gennetta and this is Being GTV. Today it is rainy, it is cold. I am at the ATM now, but I'm on my way to meet a friend for lunch. We are going to Hook and Reel, which is a seafood restaurant. And they're known for their seafood boils, so I'm looking forward to that. I just hope it's not salty and not overcooked. I'm looking forward to mussels, shrimp, lobster tails, snow crab legs, all of that. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me and we'll see how this goes.
It's not that I don't care. Need to shut down to keep you out of my mind. It's strange to be here alone. Yeah, a place that we used to go all the time. I need to do this alone, so just stop calling me up. Just realize that we're done. Don't come back.
Asian house chips that we have.
Okay.
They're like a muncho, kind of like airy, crispy, like a rice kind of rice
Okay.
chip kind of thing with some Cajun seasoning.
Okay.
I have dreams about us. I just want it to stop, because I miss you so much. I miss the way we touch, and I need to make it stop. But I still think about it all the time. I won't stop until it's over. But I still think about it all the time. It's never over till it's over. There is no us no more. No, I'm grasping.
It does.
I feel like a little kid, like, yeah.
I think they like little lobsters though. You gotta
Okay,
take
take a
the
picture.
picture.
Put that in the picture.
Oh, you gotta get some mussels too.
No, you know I cannot eat something.
I need to do this alone, so just stop calling me up. Just realize that we're done. I won't come back. I have dreams about us. I just want it to stop, because I miss you so much. I miss the way we touch, and I need to make it stop. But I still think about it all the time. I won't stop until it's over. But I still think about it all the time. It's never over till it's over. Yeah. But I still think about it all the time. It won't stop until it's over. Yeah. But I still think about it all the time. It's never over till it's over.
The things you do for your best.
They so good.
Oh, they're so cute.
Oh, we're living in the present, but our mind is in the past. Not knowing what we're losing.
home to someone. I'm so full. It was a whole lot. But it was fresh. It wasn't overcooked. The sauces that we tried were pretty good. The garlic butter was the best. It was good. It was good. Really nice. I will be back here for sure. Thank you. Have a good one.